right, you ready? All right, well today we're gonna make no churn ice cream. You can make any kind you want. Today we're gonna make cookies and cream. You start out with 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 2 cups of heavy cream, thank you Emily, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
How about I put...
Okay, sure. So we ready to put the things in now?
Yeah.
Okay, so Emily, you're gonna put this in here. Pour it all in. Let me get the scraper. All right, Emily's doing a good job. Emily loves to cook with Mima. Good job. Here, let's just scrape all this out real quick. All right, good. Now we're going to put in 2 cups of heavy cream.
I know when to dump it in. We
All
should
right.
put it right here.
Okay, you can pour it in and I'll tell you when to stop. Good, 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 good. One more. All right, good. Gonna pour that into the container here. We're gonna do that one more time. One more time, because we need 2 cups. Good. Good, a little more. Stop. Excellent. Okay, pour that in here. Great. Now we're gonna put in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And the 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Good. Now put the cover on the blender. You know how to do it. Push it down tight. Good job. I'm gonna put it over on the blender here, and we're gonna blend it for about a minute, minute and a half. Go ahead, push this one. Yep. All right, so let's check this out.
I'm bringing them out for you.
All right, you're gonna have to crunch those up. You want to crunch those up, Em? Oh yeah, perfect. All right, Emily's gonna crunch up those cookies right now so we can put them in. Come on, you gotta do it. Crunch them real good. Good job. All right, well, we gotta put them in now. Let's just do this, crunch them up real good. Okay, pour them in.
One's not crushed.
Sorry, Emily, just pour them in. Pour it in. Good, just gonna mix it up in here. Mix it up, mix it up. Pour it into the container here. All right, we're gonna go put this in the freezer. Em, you ready?
Yep. Can I put that in?
Yep, put the cover on. Good job. I'm gonna put it, no, I need to, good job.
It's
Emily.
taking too long.
Yes, man. Num num.